Hey everyone, and welcome to TECHFRONTER. Today we're going to be talking about the Realme GT Neo 3, the best budget gaming smartphone on the market. We're going to take a look at its specs, performance, and price, and see why it's the perfect choice for gamers on a budget. Realme GT Neo 3, a gaming powerhouse at an unbeatable price. In the realm of mobile gaming, budget-friendly options often struggle to keep up with the latest and greatest. However, the Realme GT Neo 3 emerges as a shining exception, delivering exceptional performance and a host of gamer-centric features at a price that won't break the bank. This smartphone proves that you don't need to spend top dollar to enjoy an immersive and lag-free gaming experience. Unleashing the power of Dimensity 8100. At the heart of the Realme GT Neo 3 lies the powerful Dimensity 8100 processor, a chipset that redefines what's possible for budget gaming smartphones. This octa-core beast effortlessly handles even the most demanding games, ensuring smooth and responsive gameplay that will leave you captivated. With the Dimensity 8100, you can bid farewell to choppy frame rates and frustrating lag, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your favorite gaming worlds. As mentioned earlier, the Realme GT Neo 3 is powered by the Dimensity 8100 processor, which is a powerful chipset that can handle even the most demanding games. The phone also comes with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, ensuring that you have plenty of power and memory to run your favorite games and apps smoothly. While on software, the Realme GT Neo 3 runs on Realme UI 3.0, a custom Android skin that's based on Android 12. Realme UI 3.0 includes a number of features that are specifically designed for gamers, such as Game Space, which provides a variety of performance optimization and control customization options. On camera, the Realme GT Neo 3 features a triple lens camera setup on the back, consisting of a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. The front-facing camera is a 16-megapixel sensor that's perfect for selfies and video calls. On battery, the Realme GT Neo 3 packs a large 5000 mAh battery that provides ample power for extended gaming sessions. The phone also supports fast charging with a 65W charger, so you can quickly top up your battery when you're on the go. A display that enhances every detail. The Realme GT Neo 3's 6.7-inch AMOLED display is one of its standout features, with a resolution of 2448 x 1080 pixels and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. This display delivers stunning visuals with vibrant colors, crisp details, and silky smooth motion. Whether you're playing games, watching videos, or browsing the web, the GT Neo 3's display is sure to impress. Complementing the GT Neo 3's impressive processing power is its stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display, with a resolution of 2448 x 1080 pixels and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. This display brings your games to life with vibrant colors, crisp details, and silky smooth motion. Whether you're battling through hordes of enemies in an action-packed RPG or exploring vast open-world landscapes, the GT Neo 3's display ensures that every visual aspect of your gaming experience is nothing short of breathtaking. On design, the Realme GT Neo 3 features a sleek and modern design with a thin and lightweight body. The front of the phone is dominated by the large 6.7-inch display, while the back panel houses the triple lens camera setup and the Realme logo. The phone is available in a variety of colors, including black, silver, and green. With features designed for gamers, the Realme GT Neo 3 goes beyond raw power and a stunning display to provide a suite of features specifically tailored for gamers. Air trigger shoulder triggers provide precise control during intense gaming sessions, while the Game Cool 7 cooling system ensures that your phone stays cool even under heavy load, preventing performance throttling and maintaining peak gaming performance. On the price side, the Realme GT Neo 3 is a testament to the fact that exceptional gaming performance doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Starting at around $329, the GT Neo 3 offers unmatched value for money, making it an ideal choice for gamers on a budget who demand premium gaming experiences, a price that makes gaming affordable. Why the GT Neo 3 stands out. The Realme GT Neo 3 has earned its place as one of the best budget gaming smartphones in the market for several reasons. Unmatched performance at a budget-friendly price. The Dimensity 8100 processor delivers exceptional performance, rivaling more expensive smartphones. Immersive display. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate provides stunning visuals that bring your games to life. Gamer-centric features, air trigger shoulder triggers and advanced cooling technology enhance your gaming experience. Long-lasting battery. A large 5000 mAh battery keeps you powered up for extended gaming sessions. So in conclusion, if you're looking for a smartphone that delivers exceptional gaming performance without straining your wallet, the Realme GT Neo 3 is the clear winner. It's a powerful device that proves that budget gaming can be just as enjoyable as premium experiences. The Realme GT Neo 3 is an exceptional budget gaming smartphone that offers unmatched performance, a stunning display, and a host of gamer-centric features at a price that won't break the bank. If you're looking for a smartphone that can handle the most demanding games without sacrificing your budget, the GT Neo 3 is the perfect choice for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tech videos, and don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the Realme GT Neo 3.